everyone, it's Rainbow Runner. Anyways, Union Pacific 1091 is departing once again. Anyways, Austyn is Railfanning nearby too. So, anyways, as you saw earlier, it departed. It passed Gilbert Road, and now it's leaving to go along. It's going to be going down the Chandler local line. So now it's heading up to Cooper Road. All right. Just thought I'd show this brief clip. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Hope you're wearing green. And also, don't binge buy toilet paper just because of this COVID-19 business. Just a public PSA from Rainbow Runner. Heading out.